Hey friends, here we're gonna draw Hello Kitty.
Yeah, Squishmallow Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
We hope you're excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but what can our friends use?
Whatever they have.
Yeah, you don't have to use the same thing. And we have Hello Kitty with us we're going to use to look at so we can draw her. And my favorite thing to do is draw Squishmallows. How come?
Because they're so simple.
Yeah, they're simple. They just have this big giant shape. And that's the shape we're going to start with first. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. We're gonna draw the main shape of Hello Kitty, which is just a big, kind of an egg, Squishmallow shape.
I'm an egg.
Yeah, I'm an egg. We're gonna draw a big upside down letter U. Let's start here on the side of our paper so that we can draw really big. And down on the other side. Ah, you drew yours bigger.
It's fluffy.
I wish I drew mine that size. Now we're gonna draw the bottom. We're gonna curve around and over to the other side. Yes.
It's in.
It looks like a gumball. What'd you say?
Gumdrop.
Yeah, I said gumball. I meant gumdrop. And an egg. Okay, now we're gonna draw the bow. Let's draw her little bow over her ear. We're gonna draw an oval shape.
It's more like another egg.
It kind of does. Small egg, yeah.
It's a small egg.
Then we're gonna draw her bow sticking up and then curving back down. And let's do the same thing on the other side to match. Yes. Okay, next let's draw our ears. We're gonna draw curving out and then curving back down. And right here, we can imagine it going behind the bow, sticking out just a little bit and then coming down. Yeah, okay, now let's draw her dress. We're gonna draw the waist coming across the bottom of the egg, Squishmallow shape.
Squishmallow.
Yeah, and then we're gonna draw a little letter U right here. Let's show our friends what we're drawing. We're drawing this letter U right here. And then we're gonna draw the two little buttons on the side. And then, and then we gotta draw her face after that. So we could add a little button here and a little button over here. Okay, now for her face. Let's draw an oval for her nose. And then we're gonna draw the same oval, except we're gonna tip it up. So there's one and another one for the other eye. Oh, you drew them huge. I like it. This is really cute that you changed it. Then we can color them in. And if we go too fast, especially when we fast forward, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. And then we're missing her
Whiskers.
whiskers. Let's draw one in the middle, one going up and one going down. One in the middle, one in the up, going up, and one going down. We did it! We finished drawing Hello Kitty Squishmallow. Well, we still need to color it. Yeah, my favorite. This part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and color your drawings too. Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring Hello Kitty and she turned out awesome. I especially love yours.
I love yours more.
I hope our friends will color their drawings. You can pause the video. It wasn't very challenging. How many colors did we use?
3.
3. Which ones?
Red, pink, and yellow.
And yellows. And it's my favorite for her nose.
Our friends could also add a background.
Oh, that would be really cool to finish your drawing.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Hello Kitty with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.